It was a good week this week. I was able to take profit of $51. I'm gonna show you my trades. So this is the first trade. Taking a look at this chart, I'm looking at a 5-minute time frame. We can see here na downtrend siya. So naglagay ako ng trend line dito. And I was able to take profit here by just simply following the trend. I was just simply following the trend here, guys. So nag-enter ako dito ng short. Basically, this is Asian session open. So naghintay muna ako na ma-break niya yung low ditong candle na to. Hinintay kong ma-break itong specific candle na to bago ako nag-enter ng short. So I was able to enter short and risk-reward ratio is 1:1 lang and mabilisan lang tong trade na to. So I was able to take profit here. And surprisingly, naglagay din ako ng note dito that my SL was not triggered. I was actually expecting na loss ako dito but I'm not sure what happened. But when I take a look at the MT5, actually hindi na trigger yung stop loss ko. So this is a good trade. However, I think in the future, dapat talaga nilalakihan ko yung stop loss area ko. When you take a look at this level, so dapat medyo tinaas ko pa yung aking stop loss area dito. So next trades, I will probably widen my stop loss. But this is a good one. Hindi nga na-trigger yung stop loss ko dito. I was able to take profit here. Next trade is this one. I was able to take profit here as well. Same thing lang nung previous trade ko. I was just simply following the trend again. So we can see here that this is a downtrend. So naglagay ako ng trend line and naglagay ako ng another trend line. So this looks like a parallel channel. So nag-enter ako ng short dito sa area na to. And after ko mag-enter ng short, I was able to take profit here in just a few candles. And yung nilagay ko ditong risk reward, as you can see, hindi siya pantay, hindi siya 1:1. Talagang hindi ko siya inilagpas dito sa lower channel or lower trend line is because I was expecting na baka pag tinouch niya itong area nito is bumalik siya ulit pataas. Because again, as we can see, this price is currently trading within this specific range only. So I was able to take profit here. This is a good trade. Next trade is this one. Same range. So again, yung price is naglalaro lang siya dito sa area na to. So I entered a long in this part. After ko mag-enter ng long, unfortunately, I got stopped out. The reason why nag-enter ako ng long dito sa part na to is because I was able to see that the price is trying to make a higher low in this part. So you can see na naglagay ako ng trend line dito. And I was able to see as well that there is some sort of rejection in this part. Kaya after no, nag-enter ako ng long. So I was expecting the price to go back up because again, the price is just currently going inside this specific channel. So kaya ako nag-enter ng long. Unfortunately, after ko mag-enter ng long, I got stopped out here. Next trade is this one. This is also a win. As you can see, most of my trades for this week is basically just following the trend. Again, trend is your friend. So, nag-enter ako ng long dito sa part na to. And as we can see, naglagay ako ng trend line dito. So, after ko mag-enter ng long and yon, buti nga hindi tinamaan yung aking stop loss area. As you can see, dito banda yung stop loss ko and then yung trend line dito. Muntik nang tamaan yung aking stop loss area. But then again, this is a good trade. I only took 1:1. Supposedly, this is my TP2. But ginawa ko lang 1:1 kasi itong linya na to, this is a key level for me. This one. So this is a key level for me kaya inilagay ko yung TP area ko just above this key level. So as you can see, tinamaan niya yung key level and as you can see, bumaba ulit siya, 'di ba? Actually, in this trade, I was supposed to enter in this part dito sa area na to. The reason why dito dapat ako mag-enter is, as we can see, this is trying to make a new higher high, 'di ba? So, after ko maglagay ng trend line, I thought na baka late na yung entry ko dito sa part na to. I was supposed to enter on this part is because we can see that this range here dito. So, medyo binalikan niya yung key level na to and also yung nandito nga siya sa trend line. So, after ko makita itong part na to, hindi muna ako nag-enter. So, naghintay muna ako na bumalik yung price dito sa part na to. Which it did. So, bumalik siya na dito sa area na to. So, kaya ako nag-enter ng long. Enter ako sa pullback niya. So, after niya mag-pullback dito sa area na to, medyo malapit sa trend line, saka ako nag-enter ng long. So, it was a good week for me for this week. $50 yung na-earn ko. And we can see here na actually nag-deposit ulit ako sa aking account because my account just got wiped out again. As we can see, na yung loss ko previous week was $391 and also another $244. So, para ako makapag-trade ulit for this week, kailangan ko mag-deposit ng $81 or 5,000 pesos. So again, this is a new cash in for me. I keep blowing up my account. I don't know how many times. Twice na atang na-blow up yung account ko. But ayun, it was a good week for me for this week. Yun lang muna for today, guys.